We are ready and really looking forward to the reopening of our campuses. As soon as the health and state authorities give us the green light, we will open our doors for our students, even if it's only for a short period of time during this school year. That time will help us to physically reunite students in the school setting, prepare students with new routines and safety protocols, get them familiarized and excited about learning adaptations for the hybrid modality to set them up for success. As a school, we will offer 3 options for our students and families. In-person learning. We are very excited to share with you that all of our students from nursery up to preschool will have the opportunity to come to the school every day. Based on building capacity, we were able to accommodate students with a maximum capacity of 12 students. Teachers and teacher aides will teamwork with both groups of students. Hybrid learning. For elementary and middle school, we will learn in hybrid model, dividing students in 2 cohorts of 12 to 13 students, one at home learning remotely and the other one group for in-person learning.
So these students that are working in the classroom are referred to as roomies, and students working from home as zoomies. Students in the classroom use different kinds of strategies and the same kinds of tools that students at home are also using. The benefits of this is that lessons continue and that the learning environment, whether at home or in school, is not dependent of the environment itself, but the lessons that the teachers are working on with their students.
Virtual learning. For those students that cannot come to the school for health reasons, they could be connected to their classroom 100% virtually.
100% virtual refers to lessons that are synchronous, which are live with the teacher, as well as asynchronous. And those lessons that are asynchronous are lessons that teachers have made in a different way, such as recorded videos or using different videos from different platforms, and having students work with those independently as they develop different ways of answering questions or working with problems and different experiences that teachers want to create through the content of each lesson.
I'm super excited about all the great things that we can roll back out. We're not starting over new, we're just learning with experience. So I'm just excited to think of all the fun games and connections, closure meetings, and morning meeting activities that I can implement with my roomies. And that will give the Zoomies something to look forward to when it's their day to come to school.
Student engagement is essential for learning, and what's really important as teachers are working to plan these different learning experiences is to consider the social emotional component that is necessary for students to stay engaged. The different strategies are applied in the same ways, whether in hybrid, in person, or in virtual mode.
I'm just excited for my students to experience something new, for all students at ISR to take on this challenge, because that's the way we're going to learn with experience, and that's the way we're going to improve our intelligence by growing with the ability to change.